Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude for data analysis like the top 1%. So first, what we are going to do is simply just put in the file which we want uh, to do. So right here, I will just quickly choose one file. All right, now we have CSV file in here. Now what I can put in the prompt is, for example, I will tell him that ignores some null in column 4, let's say. Then it can do some evaluation of the month, like so. But I need to do like so. I can go with that version also, that it's more organized prompt. What we can do basically, it's pretty simple. You can tell him what to do. Let's say, give me all the names, like so, or uh, or we can change it basically to uh, combine all the doubled names or something like that. Yeah, so you are free, you can really uh, play here what you want, and when you are ready with that, just click on the send button. Okay, and the Claude will start working on it. All right, so make sure that you are a user, which is basically goes like a chain, that you chain outputs across an iterative framework. So something like that, that you start with the, I will show you right here in the prompt, that you can start with explore, that you use the command or a targeted prompt to profile the datasheet's shape, outliers, and data quality flaws. Then you go with the structure right over here, structure. Uh, you will say Claude to clean the data based on those flaws and generate initial baseline charts. Then you have critique. You will execute a deliberate Q&A turn prompt Claude, that it will act as a hostile head of analytics. It will try to critique the data transformation step we just took. Did we introduce survivorship bias? Are there any logical errors in our aggregations? And then we have the side and the execute. And once everything is validated, you will convert the winning data models into functional scripts or executive reports. And yeah, this is basically the whole point, how you can use Claude for data analyze, that you get really good performances out of it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.